Let's talk about creating sacred space for your channeling to take place, whether this is an altar or a spot in your home. When you are looking to make regular connection and have conversations with your higher self, with your guides, with your angels, with your ancestors, it's a great idea to designate a spot for that. It doesn't mean that's the only place they're going to come through for you. They will come through for you while you're brushing your teeth, while you're in the shower, while you're walking your dog. Anytime they need to communicate with you, they will. But when you create a sacred space, it holds an energy that is very, very inviting for your soul to enter, for spirit to come and join you. So it is important to do this. And the spot that I sit right here, this is where I do my channelings. This is my client sessions, teach my classes. It is, I have an altar space here that I will share some of what I have in a moment. But here's what you will want to bring. You will want to bring some sacred objects from nature. I've mentioned before how powerful nature is for resetting our energy, for draining that which doesn't belong, for keeping us in, nature has a beautiful way of being in cycle with life, and we have oftentimes gotten out of that natural cycle. So pieces of nature can help us come back into that, into alignment with that. You can put photos if you have ancestors and loved ones, a beloved pet, a picture of a landscape in a spot that you absolutely love on the planet, any photos that bring you peace, that bring you joy, that can be part of your altar or sacred space. Simple talismans, anything at all that is significant to you can be in that spot for you. So I'm gonna show you, let's hope I don't drop it. I can't arrange the camera to show you all of this, but this is kind of like a portable idea of a portable altar or portable sacred space. This sometimes is on my table. I'm going to show you a few of the objects I have on it. I have a amethyst crystal tree in the middle. You all are going to like this. Underneath the tree, I have planted money, okay? So money is an energy, guys. It's sacred, right? Think about all the beautiful, powerful, wonderful, healing things that money does. So I love money, money loves me, and this tree it's just an anchor point for flow. That's really just what money is. It's sacred flow. I have this metal hand that was given to me by a very dear friend. I have a bunch of feathers on mine. I have a mala. Malas are, they're known as prayer beads, things that you can use for meditation purposes. I've done a whole class on malas before. I have Palo Santo to clear the space. I also, if I don't feel like burning Palo Santo, I have a little sage burner here. I have crystals. This is my rose quartz, and I use it before every session. I'm going to put it aside because I'll show you what I do with it in a little bit. I have a bunch of crystals on here as well. And this, I actually have two of them. Two artisan glass pieces that were made for me by a dear friend. One of them has a little bit of ashes of my best friend who passed away, but she's the one who taught me to channel, and now she channels with me constantly. And the other one has a little bit of the ashes of a dear, dear aunt that I absolutely adore. Oh, and this is also a crocheted bumblebee made by my youngest son. Another bit of nature, and also a gift from a child. So just some ideas to get your juices flowing and what you can do with your space, with your altar. Try to find a place in your home that is just yours. And for some people, that can be very challenging. Do it anyways. You know what? I used to channel in my closet. That was the only place when my children were younger where I felt like nobody's going to bother me in here. I would close the bedroom door, I would close the closet door, and I would finally feel like I had just my little cozy space. And while I did not have an altar in the closet, I would bring a crystal, a feather, a cup of tea, an unlit candle, just to create that energy and that space. So find an area of your home that's really just yours, where you can be undisturbed and where you want to go and sit, and have some comfortable seating as well. I am sitting in a super comfortable chair, and one of my dogs always goes under this chair while I'm channeling and grounds the energy. So use your pets as well. Put your little dog's bed or your cat's bed where your altar is, if you're going to be spending some time there and you want that beautiful, high vibrational, loving frequency of animal energy with you.